join me in my quest to re-grease the fittings. Yuck. Okay, actually I'm done. I don't know if you can see, there's a lot of rust in there. I just took some WD-40 and blasted the shit out of it and then wiped it off with a paper towel. Now it's good. Very easy. And then I went ahead and lubed this part as well. So it's very easy. Okay. Next is we're going to re-grease the shroud for the Rupes. So I'll just show you where to put it. I'm gonna take care of this guy, not this guy, this guy. We're gonna take care of this guy. From the factory, this comes greased. It's been a couple of months since I had this. It's not getting much use, but you still want to maintain your polisher so that it performs optimally. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna re-grease the backing plate with the anti-spin shroud here, because from factory it does come with grease, but as you can see it's now full of dirt buildup. I'm gonna detach this and just show you what it looks like. What are the things that you're gonna need is a dielectric grease, the Allen wrench to remove the backing plate, a rag. We're also gonna clean the white rubber parts here from use, and also the this part here, because we're setting it on the ground, so we want this back in its pristine condition, hopefully. So you're gonna need a brush and then a dilution of your favorite all-purpose cleaner, right? And also a towel or a paper towel to remove the existing grease. So let's go ahead and start. Step 1 is to take it out. Step 2, the following steps, just watch. Oh, man, this is late. Right, as you can see, that's pretty dirty. I'm gonna clean that. And here's how it looks like. Let me just grab this camera and show you. Right, that's dirty. Let's clean that out. Ew. Here's the dirt from the inside, okay? We're gonna flip it over and then I'll show you how much dirt is on this, on the existing grease. One wipe. Yeah, that's nasty. Looking better already. So right now, I just have this, I think this is a light dilution. 1 part cleaner, 8 parts water. We're just gonna put a little bit here and just wipe. Let's see if we can take this dirt out. The answer is no, it didn't take out the stain. Okay, so now that we have this clean and we have this clean, let's I'm gonna clean the rubber parts first. Make sure your work area is clean. So here's the scratches. Let me switch to a stronger solution. That turned out great. Let me just show you. Back to white. All right. We're gonna do the underside next. Okay. Alright, so hopefully you can pick this up. You see the grayish side here. This one's very clean. Okay, so that's taken care of. Oh, just in case you're wondering what I'm using, it's this is, I think, 1 part's LA's Totally Awesome cleaner, and then 4 parts water. I love this stuff. Okay, so the next part is we're just gonna do a light wipe down using our the weaker APC solution right there throughout the body, just to remove any residual oils or dirt that's been accumulated over the months. So let's get to it. We get another towel to dry it off. Okay. Now we're ready to assemble. And okay, I read online, and then Dylan from Rupes USA said just put a dab of dielectric grease. My dab is just this, and then I'll just add if needed. Okay. So I'm gonna put a little extra here just because it's gonna get transferred to the backing plate. And just want to make sure that I do have enough product to be spread all over, because you do not want to wear this down. It's gonna, defeat its purpose. This is an anti-spin shroud, so it's gonna prevent your polisher from, overspinning. If you want free spin, I suggest you get a washer. There you go. Focus, bro. Yeah, okay. This one's from Buff Daddy. The washer mod. So the idea is you put it here, and then it'll increase the space or the gap between this plate and this shroud, so you get a tiny amount of space there so that it can free spin. Put this back. Okay. Then you need to spin it. Let me just turn this on real quick. Okay, so I turned it on, and it looks like that's how it looks like. Not sure if you can see well. Whoa, it's so hard to get on camera. But I think I want a little bit more product in there. So I'm just gonna put a thin amount on top of the backing plate, just to be sure. Okay, sorry. So just for peace of mind, I'm gonna put this. I see the grease, it is. There. You see the grease, but just to be sure, I'm gonna put some throughout, just a thin layer. So guys, again, I just do this regularly. I'll be doing this maybe once a year or twice a year, depending on my usage. People in the professional industry should do this often, as I imagine that this thing will get clogged up with polish residue. And you want to save this part as much as possible. I also see people taking this out. I'm not a fan of that. I just want to use it as intended as of now. If I get tired of it, I'll just stick on the washer mod and then I'll go to town. So let me just clean up the mess, and then I'll show you some final B-roll for trusty old LHR15 Mark II. Thanks for watching. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
There is nothing